Now, we can show you also the ring of power as well, the ring of excellence.
Right.
Now,
Okay.
so imagine a circle about, that one there.
Yeah.
And the edges of it is going to be colour. You're going to make it burning flames. It's got flame, beautiful burning flames of power in there. And this is your power circle. What I'd like you to do is be prepared with your resource anchor, be prepared with that. And what I'd like you to do, this is going to be this massive resourceful energy circle for you. And when you step in, you're going to press the resource anchor and feel those resource anchors, and we're going to leave them in there. So when you're ready, just be prepared, take a step in and hit your resource anchor. You can close your eyes and then just feel all those resources coming through you. Feel the silky skin swimming, connection deep. Feel all those things powerfully running through your system. Beautifully connecting with yourself, moving authentically, power, beautiful energy. With a silly-ass dance to finish. And then when you're ready, if any time it starts to die off, just step back outside the circle. But while it's powerful and it's happening and it's throbbing through you, just keep it going. Okay, beautiful. So we just step out backwards and let go of the resource thing. Okay, perfect. Beautiful. Now what we can do is just going to break the stake, because we're going to test it. So if you just think of your favourite flowers.
Okay. Oh, so many. Let's say sunflowers.
I love sunflowers. They are beautiful.
Happy flowers.
I know, they're almost unreal, aren't they? Surreal almost.
Tall and strong.
Yeah. Alright, so what I'd like you to do is without touching the resource anchor, just step inside and see what you feel when you step inside the circle now. How's that feel in there?
I feel tingly.
Tingly. Okay. Do you feel the resources which were there before in here?
I do, not as strong as
Not as
mine.
strong. Okay, great. Just step outside again. Okay. So it's not as powerful. Now, if I wanted to make this more powerful, what I do is I just get her to step in and I set off all the anchors all over again and build it up if I really wanted that to be a resource for her. So then, what you can do with that, this is a thing, if you remember from the work you were doing before, you can pick up that, you can make it into a ring, a necklace, a belt, and carry that around. And whenever you want it, you just throw it out and step into it as a resource. So let's say you're doing a presentation, you wanted a resource there, and you have all the resources you need inside the circle, you made a belt of it, or you put it in your pocket. When you go to the presentation, take it out of your pocket, throw it on the floor and step into it. And then you're in your zone, presenting from your circle of excellence. That's how you could use that. Particularly good for kinaesthetic people. People want to feel things, people want to walk into it, people want to be there standing inside it. Very good for kinaesthetic people, or maybe visual people as well because of the fires. It's just another variable of how you could. And if you wanted to collapse an anchor, you build the resource anchor, put the resources in there, and then fire off the trigger. So okay, you're just about to present, and then get them to step inside the circle as they're just about to present. And then you can collapse the anchor that way as well. Make sense? So it's the same thing that we've been used to for the last today really, which is you've got the trigger point, you apply the resources to the trigger point, see them integrate, and then the powerful ones you come up on top. That's basically the big picture of what we're doing. All right? Okay, fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Give her a hand.